Mark, welcome to NTP. Why not click like and subscribe so we can let you know when other videos are released. Don't forget to check out our other free training videos, including Toolbox Talks, interesting, informative and useful videos. So in this video, I want to provide you with a step-by-step guide to understanding and interpreting the information presented in a supplier's statement. Now, understanding what this statement of account involves will help you to answer any questions if you're taking an exam, as well as helping to make sense of what you owe in your business. So let's dive in. A statement of account from a supplier contains important financial information that allows you to track your transactions, your outstanding balances and any payments. So let's break down the components of a supplier's statement of account and explore how to read it effectively. Let's begin with the header information. This section typically includes supplier's name, address, statement date. It helps identify the statement and ensures you're dealing with the correct supplier and time period. Next, we've got your company details, including your company name, address and account number. Verify that these details match your records for accurate identification. The opening balance is a crucial component. It represents the outstanding amount owed to the supplier from the previous statement period. This balance carries forward into the current statement period. It's often misinterpreted, especially in an exam, as it has to be remembered that when we owe that money, it's a debt. When we look at the invoice details section, you'll find a list of individual invoices issued by the supplier during the statement period. Each entry includes the invoice number, the date and description of goods or services provided, and the amount owed. So remember, we owe this amount too. It's a debit. It makes the opening balance larger, not smaller. The payments and credits section provides information on payments made to the supplier to settle outstanding invoices. These credits make the balance owed smaller, as we have paid off some or all of the money that's owed. It also includes any credits issued by the supplier, which could be for return items or similar. A payment date and payment method will be listed with the amount paid. Now, the closing balance will be at the end of the information. It's calculated by taking the opening balance that we owe, adding any debits to it, which are the invoices we've received for goods or services that they've provided, and then subtracting any credits for payment that we've made to them. It's the total outstanding amount that we owe to the supplier at the end of that statement period. Remember, opening balance is a negative to us. We owe the money. Debits, the invoices given to us, are also owed, so make the balance larger, whilst credits, the money that we've paid to the supplier, will come off that balance, making it smaller. Do we analyse the statements of account? Well, of course we do. Mistakes can happen. Check it's your statement. Cross-reference the information on it with corresponding invoices to make sure the amounts they say you owe correspond to the invoices received. Check the payments section and look at your records of the payments that you've sent to the supplier for accuracy. Manually check the calculation of the closing balance to ensure their adding up is correct. Now, if you're looking to take the Transport Manager qualification, studying through NTP gives you access to a multitude of additional unique resources just like this that help to guide you through your journey. They explain some of the more complex areas and assist you to learn the necessary information. Head over to our website and take a look at our Transport Management Certificate of Professional Competence courses. They're available for road haulage and road passenger transport. Links in the information below. Thanks for watching our tutorial. We hope you found it helpful in understanding how to read a statement of account from a supplier. Don't forget to click like and subscribe so we can let you know when new videos are uploaded, and check out our other free training videos, including Toolbox Talks and interesting, informative and useful videos. See you soon.